Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining us today. Dave Miller here, President at eMAM. I have with me Chuck Belo, he's our VP Business Development, and Anoop Thomas, he's our Director of Technology. Let's get started. So Anoop Thomas, our Director of Technology, is going to present today our eMAM Next AI platform and how it can help organizations take their media and make good sense of all that wonderful stuff in the library. So with no further ado, let me turn over to Anoop so he can share some information. If you have questions, put them in the question box, and we'll try to answer them at the end or during the session. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Dave. Thanks, Chuck. Give me 1 second. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I am Anoop Thomas, Director of Technology at eMAM. Before we start, this session is being recorded. You can post questions anytime in the Q&A panel, and we will address them near the end. Okay. Let's talk about the real challenge we see across newsrooms and production environments. Finding that perfect shot, the right quote, the highlight moment can take hours. Editors spend hours scrubbing through footage. Archive operators wait for full file restores from LTO or deep storage. And compliance teams cannot use cloud AI tools because their content is air-gapped. Manually tagging the entire library is not feasible and scalable. The result? Slow research, delayed turnarounds, and missed opportunities. What if you could make all your archived content searchable instantly without leaving eMAM or connecting to internet? That is exactly what eMAM Next delivers, a compact AI appliance that plugs into your existing MAM system. It automatically generates transcripts, summaries, and tags, all locally on the HP C2 Mini. Runs locally, fully offline, no cloud. No new user interface to learn. You continue working in eMAM, but your search results instantly become richer and faster. How it works? Each video proxy, H264 MP4, or it can be audio proxy in MP3 format, is processed by the appliance. The ASR service converts speech to text, and the LLM summarizer creates concise titles, summaries, and tags. All this metadata is sent back into your MAM database. No internet connection required. From that moment on, users can search by any spoken phrase, summary, or tag directly inside the MAM system. Let's see this in action. Let me log into eMAM and search for EVS live production. Using contains all these words. Click on search. You can see the results appear right here in the browse widget. The transcript is automatically loaded, and the exact phrase I searched for, EVS live production, is highlighted in yellow within the transcript. Now when I click on that highlighted line, eMAM jumps instantly to the exact time code in the player. So instead of scrubbing through long videos or guessing timestamps, I can go straight to the right moment in just one click. Now let's try another example. Defense spending. This is actually a Japanese news video, but you can see that an English transcript has been generated and the term defense spending appears right here. That means even foreign language content becomes searchable through translated
会
translate.
談では日本の防衛費の増額も議論になると見られていて、高市総理は防衛費を今年度中に前倒しして対 GDP 比 2% に。
Let's look at another example. From the title and description, it is not immediately clear what this video is about. So let's submit this video to eMAM next to automatically generate title, summary and tags. And here I am doing a clicking on send to send this specific video manually, but you can create automated pipeline based on workflow rules to auto submit the video after ingest to the eMAM Next appliance. Now I'm connecting to the eMAM Next appliance via a remote desktop. You can see this compact HP Z2 mini box is running with NVIDIA RTX 4000 small form factor edition ADA generation card. And this also has a Intel Core Ultra 7 GPU. And as you can see, the GPU utilization is pumped up to 100%. So that means the process is happening behind the scenes. I have an admin interface which is running locally to track the job. You can see the transcription, summarization and tagging pipelines running, and check the system performance here. So overall it's close to 11x real-time speed. Once the processing completes, the new title, summary and tags appear directly inside eMAM, automatically enriching the media record. You also have additional details here. In this case, the media duration is 1639 seconds, but it took 99 seconds to process that entire video to generate the speech to text, then 7 seconds to create the summary, title and tags. So that's how we can keep track of the performance of the system. And also depends on the load, you can stack multiple appliances to handle more jobs in parallel. So now the job is completed. We go back to eMAM and click on refresh. So it automatically generated the title, and now it is clear that it is eMAM and cutting room integration. And then if I look at the transcript, it also created the transcript in English. So everything you just saw happens locally on the eMAM Next appliance. No cloud, no external API calls, and no workflow disruption. Behind the scenes, three services make this possible. The ASR service converts speech to text. LLM summarizer generate concise summaries. And the gateway service orchestrates everything and pushes metadata to eMAM. All three runs locally, completely offline and secure. Let's look at what customers are experiencing. Editors can find moments in seconds, not minutes. Archive teams don't need to restore the entire clip. They can find the exact moment mark in and out point, and they can do a partial file restore that is much faster than restoring an entire 3-hour clip. Producers deliver highlight reels faster because overall production time is reduced. And compliance reviewers have an on-prem searchable transcript. It's AI-powered discovery without disruption. A quick note about the hardware. The HP Z2 Mini G1i is a purpose-built for edge AI use cases. It runs on Intel Core Ultra 7 265K 96GB DDR5 RAM and an NVIDIA RTX 4000 GPU, all in a compact, quiet, energy-efficient form factor. It is small enough to fit behind a monitor, yet powerful enough to process transcription, summarization, and tagging all at once. Together with the HP and B&H, we are offering a pre-configured bundle to get started quickly. Let's address some common questions before the Q&A. Does this change your workflow? No, it is simply enriches your media in the background. Do we need cloud access? No, it is 100% offline. All the models, libraries, everything is offline, loaded into that HP Z2 workstation. What formats are supported? H.264 MP4 videos and MP3 audio files. Most of the MAM systems, including eMAM, produces these formats already. How accurate is it? It's already using the modern ASR and LLMs. Options are available to adjust the configuration or change the models. You can plug and play the models based on your content. So how do we start? Go to the contact us page and put eMAM next in the description. So when you sign up the form, submit the form, you just put eMAM next in the description. So then we will get back to you with the details. Thank you for joining today's session.
Great. Thanks a lot, Anoop. If you have any other questions, please put them in the question box. So complication, yeah, Anoop showed you some of the services that are running everything else. From a user perspective, it's very simple, which is to say the media can automatically come in and automatically get tagged. Or there's an option you could push, you could have a metadata push button in the web interface from eMAM and tag this clip or these media, and or it could happen programmatically, which is to say if this happens, then please tag these media. The setup, we can, either our partners or our team can help you set that. But yeah, not complicated. Let's see other questions. Scaling, so obviously it's one workstation, it has to be on that workstation, but as need be, you could have several workstations working together. They could work in different locations, everything else. But it can certainly scale. You could get more than one. Pricing will be announcing into the new year very soon. Promotional, any new eMAM customers can get it for free until the end of the year. So excited to work with people and get their feedback. Languages, we won't bore you, but there are a long list of supported languages, and you can see and hopefully test for yourself the quality of that, and obviously over time it will get better and better. And let's see, other questions people had. Let me see if we've answered most of these in the session. ASR stands for automated, can't say it, automated speech recognition, correct, Anoop?
Yeah, that's correct. And also there is the question related to the privacy, where this information is stored. All generated metadata, transcript, summaries and tags, it's all stored inside your eMAM database. Nothing leaves your environment. And also there is no connection to the cloud. There is no billing or no type of reporting go to the cloud. It can be completely deployed inside an air-gapped environment. Then one question related to the processing speed. So the test what we are using is H.264 MP4 proxies, which is 720p in the resolution. So most of the 10-minute clip, it is processing under 1 minute. So that means it's roughly 10 to 12 times faster than the real-time playback. And again, that is from that specific hardware we are using. And other models, it may be compatible, but we have not tested because this is the evaluation model we received from HP. So we have done all the completing model optimization, everything specific to this box. So any more questions?
I think that's most of them. If you really wanted to, test it real quickly, obviously you're going to need that particular piece of hardware, but you could send us 1 or 2 clips and we could show you what it looks like in the interface, which it would be in the eMAM interface. Might be a way to test it. Yeah, if not, let us know if you want a copy of today's session or more information or details on where to get this. But again, it's a small form factor piece of hardware, so it doesn't require a lot of power and doesn't require a lot of, or any really, rack space if you want. But thanks again for your interest today, and let us know how we can help, or hit our website, and we have our channel partners listed there as well. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you, Anoop. Thanks, Chuck.
Thank you. Thanks, Dave. Thank you, everyone, for joining.